Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. And we are talking Eastern Time. Sunday evening at 9:30 p.m. there's a Chinese CPI PPI report. We just watch it, no trade room. And Monday's a quiet day, there's no trade rooms as well. Tuesday at 2 a.m. there's a British average earnings claimant count report, which is their jobs report. We have a daily trade report for that event, but no trade room. We'll start Tuesday at 4:15 p.m. for the API crude oil report. And then one more report that we're going to watch, 10 p.m., the New Zealand official cash rate. That's their interest rate decision. No trade room, that's at 10 p.m. on Tuesday. Things start to heat up for us Wednesday at 8 a.m. with core CPI in the trade room, the family money trade. And then at 9:30 a.m. we've got two events, the Bank of Canada rate statement and the crude oil inventory report. Back at 11:30 for WASD, back at 12:30 for the 10-year bond auction, and 1:30 p.m. for the beige book. Thursday, 2 a.m. there's the British GDP, manufacturing production and industrial production. No trade room, but there is a trade report for that event. Thursday at 6:10, we'll start with Delta Airlines earnings, something new we're going to try. We'll be back at 8 a.m. for the core PPI unemployment claims reports, 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, and then 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction. Friday morning, we'll start real early, 5:40 in the morning. A whole bunch of earnings. We're going to try some new ones. United Health, that's at 5:55, but we'll be in the room at 5:40, as I said. Back at 6:30 for JP Morgan and also Wells Fargo. And then 7:30, we'll be looking for Citibank at 8 a.m. And then our final event of the week, preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment. That's at 9:30 on Friday. So a very interesting week. There's always some fantastic events. Of course, CPI, WASD, beige book, a lot of action, a lot of earnings starting up. So make sure you make it into the trade room and learn how to trade on a schedule, appointment-based trading. We'd love to see you take part in all these events that we trade. My name is Leigh Goldstein, and I'll see you soon in the trade room. Take care, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend.